Hey, this is Roy and I'm back with another video on building out your website with GroovePages or your web page using GroovePages. Here's another little thing I would like to show you here. Let's say we click on this block, this pricing block. For website developers and those guys that are highly techy, you can go into custom attributes on your right and you can put in the stuff here to customize this block. You can do it with any block on the site. You can also go into up in the top right corner. You can select that block and then you just click here to go into the source code, and you can go in and do your ninja stuff. But this is only for the advanced and highly experienced people. If you're just a newbie and just a simple guy or gal just doing your own thing, then I would suggest you stay away from using this and just use the simple layout of the blocks, which is pretty cool and less stressful. Okay, so I wanted to show you that just in case if you're a very advanced person in building websites and stuff like that, you'll be able to figure this out anyway. Next thing I'd like to show you is over here in pages. If we click on pages and we select a page, and you click on the three dots, which is the settings for the page, you can get in there and you can edit the settings. Let's say if we clicked on settings, this is where you can put all your stuff for the SEO for your page, the meta description, the CSS, and all that stuff. So you can go in here and optimize your page for Google SEO. And over here on the top right corner in the hamburger, the settings lines, again you can go into site settings and you can put in your favicon and your business or website name and all the other simple things that your website will need to be visible online and easily identifiable. So you choose an image, you click here to choose an image, and you upload. So you click upload and you go into your computer and select just your favicon and your CSS. You can put in your Google tracking code and all that stuff, okay, for Google Analytics. All right, let's move on. Here's another cool feature: custom embed. Sometimes custom embed is very important. So let's see if you wanted to add a custom embed from another website, a website link that you want to have embedded. You can just come over here to elements on the left side under blocks and scroll down until you get to other, and right there you have the custom embed block. You can just take this element and drop it on any part of your website. For instance, we're dropping it here under visit us, and it asks for embed code here. So this is where now you'll just put the embed code. You can, I'll undo this and show you that you can drop this embed code anywhere. Let's say you wanted to put it under this pricing here. You can just grab it and drop it right over there. Okay, now you just click on the element and you click on the gear wheel, the gear settings wheel here, and that will open up the box for you to add the source code, and that can be a code linking from another website or whatever it is. This is where you would just type your code in, and when you finish you just click save, and I'm gonna click cancel, but you just click save, and then this box will close out and your code will be embedded in that part of your website. Okay, here's another thing we can do on your GroovePage website. Let's say it's you're selling a product and you would like one of these buttons to link to that product, or if it's not a product site and it's an information site, you can do the same. You can link a button to a pop-up or a page on an external page on a website, or you can link it back into a different page on your website. Maybe you have a hidden page with information and you'd like to link that button. The button does not have to be a buy button. It could be get more info or whatever the button says, and you want to link it. I'll show you how to do that. So let's take this $97 unlimited and we click on it, and in configure we can click on configure. It says buy and link to. If it's none, then it just pop up something from the page. But if you want to link it to something special, you can link it to a pop-up. We have created pop-ups earlier. You can link it to a different page. You can link it to a block on your website, or you can link it to a URL, an external URL from a different website. In this case, I'll link it to a URL to another website. So I'll go URL, and the website I'm going to link it to is Sports Chess Store, and the URL. Okay, so I'll put the URL in here, and I'll click open in a new tab so that website remains open, because sometimes people get confused when you open it in the same tab. Whatever they were browsing on your website, now they have to go and do it all over again. So opening in a new tab is mostly the best thing to do. And we just click update, and sometimes you may need to click on carry over URL parameters, and then we come up to the top and we click save, and we wait for a confirmation in the bottom. So the next time we come to the buy button and we click buy, so then we go up in the top and we click on preview the website, and when we come down to the bottom and we click on that buy button, then this web page will open up. This is the web page that I linked it to, and it comes straight to these KN95 masks. Okay, you can also go back in and you can click open a page, and then open in a new tab, and the same thing, the linked page, you select which page you want to link to. Let's say you want to link to the free ebook page, and you update it, then you click save and wait for a confirmation. The same steps again, and then you click preview and you click on the link to test it. Okay, that's all for this video for now. I'm gonna load up some more training videos for using GroovePages. At first it seems like much if you've never built a website, but I can tell you that even if you've never built a website, this is very simple. It's just basically playing with the blocks, and you go into blocks and you just using different blocks, right? Alert blocks, and you just choose, you choose a block and you just grab it and drag it, and it tells you where to drop it, and you drop the block, and then you go into the block and you customize the block. And if you've made a mistake and you want to go back, you just use the back arrow, and that can get rid of it. I'll hit the back arrow again and it's gone. Or if you have a block out there and you don't want to use the back arrow, then you just click on the block itself and you click on this little garbage bin that pops up on the top left of the block, the trash can, and you just say yes, confirm, and that block is gone. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and I'll be loading up some more training videos. And if you don't have a copy of GroovePages, it's going to be taken off like crazy. Lots of people are switching their websites to GroovePages because it's a very simple page and website builder, and the amount of features you get with unlimited hosting and stuff like that for the price. It's amazing. So you might want to check it out and grab yourself a copy. I might have a link in the description, and you can just go and get a copy. So just, yeah, read the description, and then like and share the video, and see you in the next one.